Colorectal cancer is one of the most prevalent malignancies worldwide and a significant cause of morbidity and mortality. Its development results from a multi-stage sequence involving cumulative genetic alterations and environmental factors, with the adenoma to carcinoma progression standing out as the classic model of carcinogenesis. This process involves mutations in tumor suppressor genes and oncogenes that lead to genomic instability, favoring the progressive transformation of normal colonic epithelium into an invasive neoplastic lesion. Early identification of adenomatous polyps and precursor lesions is therefore fundamental to prevention strategies and population screening. From a molecular perspective, several pathogenic pathways are recognized as being involved in its development, including chromosomal instability, microsatellite instability, and the CpG phenotype hypermethylation pathway. In turn, alterations in the DNA mismatch repair, MMR system, lead to tumors with microsatellite instability, which exhibit distinct clinical and prognostic characteristics, as well as significant therapeutic implications. Likewise, mutations in genes such as APC, KRAS, NRAS, BRAF, and TP53 play a crucial role in tumor progression and the selection of targeted therapies. In this context, molecular characterization of the tumor not only allows for improved prognostic stratification, but also guides personalized therapeutic decisions, consolidating an integrated approach between pathology and clinical oncology.